This video will be about airport outfit ideas. I'm going to show you clothes that you can wear in the airport. These outfits are going to be worn in the airplane as well as while you're on vacation. The number one airport outfit idea is a solid colored shirt in a nice fabric, like the one I have in this airport outfit. It is a sleeveless shirt, but the fabric is really nice, so I can wear it during my vacation with jeans or another outfit. This is the short sleeve version of this shirt. The fabric is luxurious to me, but the sleeveless version looks really good with my jogger pants. Any traveler knows not to wear white inside the airport because of other people's coffee stains, or if your carry-on suitcase smudges against your white jeans, for example. But today I'm going to share with you a safer option if you really do want to wear white. Wear two layers on top, a cardigan and a scarf. These two layers protect that white shirt while you are in the airport. And another outfit idea is casual t-shirts. Wear them inside the airplane for two reasons. Number one, because I can layer if I'm cold. When I get hot for no reason these days, I can take those layers off really fast. And number two, t-shirts dry quickly. So if you need to wash them, it can be done overnight. I am a Houston pilot wife, and I share tips to help you travel the globe without a worry in the world. And as employee families, we have a dress code, which means we cannot wear leggings as pants. We did buy tickets for this short trip, so I wore my jogger pants with the nice sleeveless top that I showed you. I also have a pair of joggers from Kohl's that are jet black, if you like that color, but there are different colors in the Loft brand that I have. There are two features if you want to wear joggers in the airport. When I was in Los Angeles for my YouTube conference in May, 90% of the travel outfits inside the airport were joggers. The number one feature is how do they look in the back? I would be self-conscious if my panty line was showing, and these joggers from Loft sat rolled up in the office chair for a couple of weeks before I actually wore them and then fell in love with them, and noticed that they also do not wrinkle. So that's another feature to look for in your joggers or your pants that you're wearing in the airport and for travel. These from Kohl's are this modal fabric. They hang correctly and they are very easy to iron, but they do wrinkle very easily. The waist is completely elastic. They do not show your panty line in the back. They are loose all the way down, but the crotch fits. It does not hang down to your knees, if that makes sense, or if you've ever had some of those in the 90s, the MC Hammer pants. I love my Skechers shoes for walking through the airport. I like that it is a mix of black and white, so they kind of look gray, making them more versatile if I want to wear jeans, if I want to wear navy pants in the airport, if I want to wear black. They slide off very easily, and I like the sporty look of them. I love wearing stretchy denim as my airport outfit because it goes with so many different tops while I'm on vacation. I highly recommend the Wit and Wisdom jeans because they come in a dark denim and a lighter denim, but they have this waistband that holds you in, but it also stretches with you on vacation. A travel outfit tip is if you do pack a darker pair of denim, those jeans can be worn to a dressier restaurant, especially if you pack black denim. Colored denim is usually stretchy fabric. I love this color blue that I bought. They're pull-on jeans, and they do go to my ankles. Some of them are capri. There is a brand new green one that I'm going to get that I love. They are pull-on. They are a thinner fabric, but they are so cozy and comfortable. Very high quality. Cashmere is a thin layering piece that you can wear in the airport if you're freezing cold. I got the blue last year, and this year I just got the red. It's just beautiful. And cashmere can look casual for an airport style, as well as look dressier if you need to go to a nicer restaurant. Add a strand of pearls. Chic elegance. If you've been watching my travel videos for a while, you know that I love this brand of exercise shirt. The black one does not show any wrinkles when you're traveling. I wore it coming home from our short trip with my little Skechers sneakers and a pair of denim But because it does not look like an exercise shirt when you pair it with black denim, for example, you can wear that shirt to a nicer restaurant while you're on vacation, as well as being comfortable inside the airplane. You could wear the blue one with a nice patterned shorts or some khaki pants. The green one does wrinkle easily, but if you just hang it up when you arrive, it unwrinkles. I wore it with my joggers out and about in Wisconsin. For a really long flight, if my legs are going to swell, I highly recommend Dr. Scholl's compression socks. They are the best. Do not buy the cheap ones from the little drugstore on the corner. I did try a few thin long sleeve shirts because they are easy to pack and it's easier to layer in the winter especially. This one is an Amazon brand that I sized up to an extra large based on their recommendation. A large would have been fine. I like how it just skims your body almost. It's not humongous and it doesn't cost a lot of money. I did not like this purple one that I'm showing you here. One travel outfit idea is to wear a thin layering shirt in the airport or the airplane. And here's my new tip. After dinner, during the hangout time on the back deck, or in the morning when you are having coffee. It's this hangout shirt that is for the in-between times while you're on vacation. And then I splurged on these pajama shorts. They were long enough for me and they're very loose, like the elastic is very soft and loose almost. So I have splurged on the pajama shorts, but I can also wear a cheap, inexpensive t-shirt that is actually good quality with it and in the airport and other times during my vacation. I wore this sweatshirt inside the airport for our quick trip. It is thick and bulky. It does not have a hood, but I rolled it up and packed it inside my personal item bag. And when I was in Wisconsin, I wore it with my Kohl's black jogger pants just for the hangout time as well. It was 58 degrees in the morning. It was beautiful. I also packed in my carry-on suitcase my new merch that is right down here below this video. I made this based on Cindy's recommendation. I designed 3 different designs. This sweatshirt, this vacay mode, and another one if you're going to another country, which I think is so cute, but I designed them and then they're on long sleeve t-shirts and shirts and sweatshirts and more. Cardigans are very versatile for travel outfits. You can wear them inside the airport because you know you will get cold, as well as during your vacation. I got this green cardigan from an Amazon ad. Love the sporty look of it. It hangs kind of loose and open. My tip is to go with your regular size. I'm a size 10, 5'8", and I wear a medium in this version. I also got this thick gray one. Gray is a great versatile color for a cardigan because you can pop some color with a scarf, you can wear it with a t-shirt or a nice blouse while you're on vacation, but it's great for inside the airport as well. I like the way this one hangs. It doesn't have the hood and it's much thicker, but it's high quality. Walmart also has some really great thin cardigans. This is a black one, and in the winter I like to wear black because I can pack fewer clothes. But it does have the little waffle weave detailing at the top and then just a regular cardigan. It's thin enough but not see-through thin or paper thin, and I really like the quality of this one. My newest travel tip, which I would use if I was going to Alaska or Canada or Iceland, is to pack a thin outer jacket as part of my layering piece. Some of the fleece pullovers are way too thick for a vacation. They're a little too hot or just thick. So I love this exercise jacket. You can layer under it or you can layer on top of it with a down jacket, for example. If you do need a video about packing for the beach in the middle of winter, make sure you check out the video I'll put below and right here in the iCards. If the weather will be rainy and you need to wear your hiking shoes because you're going to be walking through gravel or looking at waterfalls in Iceland maybe, wear those shoes inside the airplane because they are your heaviest, bulkiest pieces. And then also something else to think about is pants that can get wet. You've already thought about your shoes that are water resistant. Now, do not forget this tip. You wear leggings underneath if it's going to be freezing cold on your vacation, and then you wear these pants that can get wet on top of them. Or like for us, we're going to Canada in October. So I'm going to have these. They can get wet if I need them to. They're not super thick or fleece lined at all. I don't need that. I love the elastic waist. They are slim cut, so the leg is like straight but slim, so I did size up, and I'm wearing a size 12. I'm usually a size 10, and they are perfection. Very comfortable for the airplane, but I need them on my vacation. Does that make sense? One travel outfit tip is to pack your outerwear, if you do need a thicker fleece or a sweatshirt, inside a compression cube. I did that with a thick peach sweater, and it fits like a book in the bottom of your backpack. The number 2 tip is if you've already packed a sweatshirt in the bottom of your personal item bag, but you need another one during your trip, wear it around your waist. Then when you get inside the airplane, fold it or do whatever and just put it right on top of your backpack until you get out of the airplane, then tie it around your waist again and hang it in that closet of the beautiful resort or hotel or family member's house again where you get to vacation. A travel hack is to use the jacket or the sweatshirt as a pillow if you're going on a really long flight. One thing I like to pack is a silk pillowcase or a satin pillowcase. You can stuff some clothes or your outerwear pieces in there, but use them as a pillow. But it also does need to be packed inside your personal item bag or suitcase. Wide-legged pants can look very chic for a restaurant on your vacation, but they are also very comfortable for the airplane as long as they do not touch or drape or brush against the floor. You're thinking urine, you're thinking the leftover throw up that does not get cleaned really because of the powder that they put down to clean up throw up inside an airplane. I recommend the cropped version. They're so cute, and most of them are pull-on. There's also this 3/4 length sleeve blouse that is a little thicker than a blouse. I love that the collar just lays flat. It doesn't fold over. You can wear this kind of a top that I got from Amazon with jean capris. You can wear them with black denim to a nicer restaurant while you're on vacation. But you can still look pulled together if that is your goal. My idea for this video is to just give you ideas to make you think. You're shopping for what is already in your closet that can work for you and your comfort level, your physical needs, as well as your creativity. But I know sometimes I like to buy something new, so I'm also giving you links if that's important to you, or if that's fun to you before a vacation. When you are choosing your airport outfit, there are 3 layers that you can wear. A scarf is one type of layer, a thin jacket or a sweatshirt is another layering piece. Some travel tips for your shoes that you're going to be wearing inside your airplane are: 1, unzip the boots that you're wearing if they are all the way up to your knee. Unzip them about 2 inches. Wear your heaviest shoes inside the airport, like I said, so you save that space and weight in your carry-on suitcase. If you are flying a really long flight, do not take off your shoes because you may not be able to get your foot back in the shoe. If you do not want to wear slide-on shoes, I have 2 options for you. You're going to untie your shoes completely before you get to the airport security line and just stuff them down in your shoes. And the second option is to tie your shoes very loosely so that they are now slide-on shoes. I have a great video about the best crossbody bags for travel that I'm going to link below and right here that you can watch after this video. You get there by clicking show more or the upside down caret. Be sure and say hello and tell me where you're going. Tell me what your creative style is for the airport and why it works for while you're on vacation. I just want you to think in a different way. Thank you for your time and your creativity and all of your thinking. Have fun.